This is the replacement filter for the stick vac, the Miele TriFlex, a couple different models, including the cat and dog stick vac. So it's a two-piece. You can see here it says to pull up and you twist. This is what's in the middle. So this is the HEPA filter replacement pack for the Miele stick vac TriFlex. Just wanted to show it close up so that everyone could see what they were ordering and make sure it is the correct part for you. The model numbers are in the listing.
Click the link below to get it on Amazon.